how to make Siren in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. First up, we will add earth plus wind. We have dust. Dust plus earth. We have planet, as you can see. Planet plus fire. We have sun. Sun plus fire. We have solar. Solar plus planet. We have system. And right now we will add double water for lake, and right now double lake for ocean. Earth plus water, we have plant. Plant plus lake, we have lily. Lily plus ocean, we have mermaid. And I will remove system because we don't need it. And right now mermaid plus fire, and we will have Siren. So that's it guys, hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.